Have you ever wondered about the creature that once roamed the dense forests of Tasmania, known as the Tasmanian tiger or thylacine? This carnivorous marsupial, with an appearance akin to a large dog with distinctive stripes along its back, was a marvel of nature. Despite its tiger moniker, it was more a distant cousin of kangaroos and koalas. This enigmatic creature, while no longer with us, continues to captivate the imaginations worldwide. The Tasmanian tiger, a carnivorous marsupial, bore a unique appearance, resembling a large dog adorned with distinctive stripes. This unusual creature was not like anything you'd find prowling in your backyard. It was a marsupial, but it didn't hop like a kangaroo or cling to trees like a koala. Instead, it moved on all fours, its body elongated and sleek, its tail rigid and kangaroo-like. Its head was large and rounded, with a snout that could open wider than any other mammal's, revealing an impressive array of 46 sharp teeth. Its ears were pointed and its eyes a piercing yellow. But perhaps the most striking feature of the Tasmanian tiger was its coat. It was covered in short, coarse fur that was sandy or yellow-brown in color, and across its lower back and tail, it bore 13 to 21 dark transverse stripes. These stripes earned it the tiger moniker, but don't be fooled. This creature was no feline. The Tasmanian tiger, or thylacine as it is scientifically known, was a nocturnal creature, preferring the cover of darkness to go about its business. It was a solitary animal, each individual having its own territory which it marked with scent. It was an apex predator, its diet consisting mainly of small animals and birds, which it hunted using a combination of stealth and speed. Its habitat was as unique as the creature itself. The thylacine was native to Tasmania, a biodiverse island off the southern coast of Australia, where it roamed the grasslands and forests. But this was not always the case. Fossil evidence suggests that the thylacine once roamed mainland Australia and New Guinea. Despite its tiger-like stripes, it was actually a distant relative of kangaroos and koalas. The Tasmanian tiger was a marsupial, part of a group of mammals known for carrying their young in a pouch. But the thylacine was unique even among marsupials. It was the largest carnivorous marsupial of modern times, a testament to the extraordinary diversity of life on Earth. Once widespread across Australia and Tasmania, the Tasmanian tiger's story took a tragic turn. Set in the backdrop of the lush, wild forests of Tasmania and Australia, the Tasmanian tiger was a unique creature that dominated the ecosystem. However, the story soon took a turn for the worse. The thylacine, as it's scientifically known, began to see a rapid decline in its numbers. The reasons behind this unfortunate event were multifaceted. Habitat loss was one of the key factors contributing to the Tasmanian tiger's decline. As human settlements expanded, forests were cut down, and the natural homes of these unique marsupials were destroyed. They found themselves competing with introduced species for increasingly scarce resources, and their numbers dwindled. Hunting too played a significant role in the Tasmanian tiger's plight. Misunderstood and feared, they were often targeted by farmers who blamed them for livestock losses, even though their diet primarily consisted of small mammals and birds. Bounty hunting became a common practice, further exacerbating the decline. Disease was another blow to the Tasmanian tiger population. A devastating outbreak of a canine distemper-like disease swept through the thylacine population, both in the wild and in captivity, leaving a path of destruction in its wake. The culmination of these factors led to a rapid decline in the Tasmanian tiger's numbers. Despite efforts to protect the species, it was a case of too little, too late. The last known Tasmanian tiger, affectionately named Benjamin, died in captivity in 1936. His death marked a tragic end to a species that had roamed the earth for millions of years. This devastating extinction serves as a stark reminder of human impact on the natural world. The story of the Tasmanian tiger is not an isolated incident, but a pattern repeated across the globe as countless species face the threat of extinction due to habitat loss, hunting, and disease. The Tasmanian tiger's extinction was a significant loss for the biodiversity of Australia and Tasmania. Each species plays a unique role in its ecosystem, and the loss of one can have far-reaching effects on the entire system. The Tasmanian tiger's disappearance disrupted the balance of the ecosystem, affecting other species and the environment as a whole. The loss of the Tasmanian tiger is a poignant reminder of the fragility of life and the importance of conservation efforts. As we look to the future, let us remember the lessons learned from the Tasmanian tiger's decline and extinction and strive to protect and preserve our precious biodiversity. In 1936, the last known Tasmanian tiger died in captivity, marking the end of a species that had walked the earth for millions of years. Even after its extinction, the Tasmanian tiger continues to intrigue scientists and enthusiasts alike. This extraordinary creature, despite its absence from our world, has left an indelible imprint on our collective consciousness. Its unique appearance and the mysteries surrounding its demise have sparked curiosity and a desire for understanding that has transcended generations. The allure of the Tasmanian tiger is not just in its captivating physical attributes, but also in the unanswered questions that its extinction poses. What if there are still some Tasmanian tigers out there, hidden in the dense Tasmanian forest away from human eyes? This question fuels ongoing research, with scientists and enthusiasts piecing together the puzzle through eyewitness accounts and DNA analysis of preserved specimens. Eyewitness accounts, though often dismissed as mere folklore, have been reported even decades after the declared extinction of the species. These accounts, though unverified, have added fuel to the fire of curiosity, inspiring many to delve deeper into the mystery of the Tasmanian tiger. DNA analysis of preserved specimens, on the other hand, provides a more tangible connection to the extinct creature. Through cutting-edge technology, scientists are able to extract and analyze DNA from museum specimens, shedding light on the genetic makeup of the Tasmanian tiger and its evolutionary history. This research not only helps us understand the creature better, but also explores the potential of genetic technologies in conservation efforts. The enduring intrigue and ongoing research surrounding the Tasmanian tiger bear testament to its legacy. This legacy goes beyond the creature itself, serving as a symbol of the world's biodiversity and the importance of its conservation. The Tasmanian tiger's story is a poignant reminder of our responsibility to protect our natural heritage, to ensure that future generations can marvel at the wonders of our planet. The hope remains alive for the possibility of its rediscovery. Whether or not the Tasmanian tiger still roams the forests of Tasmania, its legacy lives on, inspiring curiosity, research, and a deep appreciation for the natural world. Today, conservationists and researchers tirelessly work to protect Tasmania's unique biodiversity and preserve the habitats that remain. They strive to learn from the tragic tale of the Tasmanian tiger, an iconic species lost to time and human activity. The disappearance of this enigmatic creature has left an indelible mark on the ecosystem it once inhabited, and its absence echoes through the forests, a silent reminder of the cost of neglect and disregard. The ecological impacts of the Tasmanian tiger's extinction are profound. An apex predator, it played a crucial role in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Its decline disrupted this harmony, leading to an overpopulation of species it once preyed upon and subsequently a strain on the resources they consumed. Yet within this tale of loss, there are lessons to be learned. The fate of the Tasmanian tiger has spurred a renewed commitment to conservation, a recognition of the interconnectedness of all life forms and the critical role that each species plays in the grand tapestry of life. These insights are invaluable in informing efforts to protect other endangered species and in fostering a more holistic and sustainable approach to our interactions with the natural world. Conservation today extends beyond merely protecting individual species. It involves preserving entire ecosystems, understanding the intricate web of relationships between different species, and maintaining the delicate balance that allows life to thrive. It's about safeguarding the myriad forms of life that make our planet so wonderfully diverse and rich. The Tasmanian tiger's story, while tragic, has ignited a spark of hope. It has galvanized efforts to protect and conserve, to learn and adapt, and to ensure that future generations inherit a world that is vibrant, diverse, and teeming with life. The Tasmanian tiger serves as a stark reminder of life's fragility and the importance of preserving our natural heritage for future generations. It's a call to action, a plea from the past, reminding us of the profound responsibility we have towards our planet and its myriad inhabitants. The Tasmanian tiger may be gone, but its legacy endures. Its story compels us to delve deeper, to learn more about this fascinating creature and the world it once inhabited. We're also reminded of the critical importance of supporting initiatives that safeguard our planet's diverse life forms. So let's take a stand for conservation, let's protect our precious biodiversity, and in doing so, keep the spirit of the Tasmanian tiger alive. Remember, each one of us can make a difference. Stand for conservation, protect our biodiversity, and keep the spirit of the Tasmanian tiger alive.